Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Sarthak Rajput. So how's going? Today I'm at the gym focused on improving my fitness and becoming stronger every day. Fitness is not just about looking good, it's about feeling healthy, energetic and confident. So today right now I'm doing some step up exercise with weight on my shoulder. We start with some gentle stretching to warm up the muscles. Stretch your arms, shoulders, and low legs slowly and comfortably. Let's begin by taking a breath in and in slowly breathing out. Relax your body and focus on the present moment. Today I am doing ball jumps as part of my workout routine to help burn calories and stay active. This exercise gets the heart pumping and helps improve stamina and coordination. Remember, consistency is the key to fitness. Along with regular exercise, a healthy diet and good sleep are also important for reducing body fats. Let's stay motivated and keep moving toward our fitness goal. Now I'm doing a step a workout with training to build strength, improve balance, and burn calories. Every step brings me closer to my fitness goal. Staying active, eating healthy, and being consistent are the key to success. No excuse, just progress. Let's keep pushing and become stronger every day. So now we are doing while doing this exercise, I focus only on maintaining proper form and controlled movement. Good technique has helps in prevent injuries and makes the workout more effective. One thing I've learned during my fitness journey is that consistency is more important than perfection. You don't have to be the strongest person in the gym, you just need to keep improving compared to yesterday. Exercise is an important part of a healthy lifestyle. It helps burn calories, improves cardiovascular health, strengthen muscles and boost mental well-being. Even when motivation is low, discipline keep us moving forward. As I continue this workout, I am reminding myself that every small effort counts. Progress doesn't happen overnight. It comes from showing up every day and giving your best. Right now I'm doing fitness is not only about workouts, nutrition, hydration, and proper sleep. Also play a huge role. A balanced diet and enough rest help the body recover and grow stronger after training session. Now let's see if I can achieve this goal with your support. Every like, comment and share motivates me to keep pushing harder on my fitness journey. This journey won't be easy, but with your support, I believe I can do it. Keep cheering me on and let's reach this goal together. I'm giving my best in this fitness journey and honestly your support means everything to me. Let's see how far we can together. This journey is challenging but I'm ready to give it me all. With your support, I know I can do it. Let's grow stronger together. Can I achieve this goal? Let's find out together. Your support makes all the difference. I'm working hard to transform myself one workout at a time with your support and motivation. I believe I can achieve this goal. Let's do this together. Yoga has many benefits. It helps improve flexibility, balance, and overall body strength. It also reduces stress and helps keep the mind calm and focused. That's why I try to include yoga in my fitness routine whenever possible. Now I have a question for you guys. Joe, do you practice yoga regularly and what is your favorite yoga pose? Let me know in this comment section below. The purpose of yoga is not only to improve physical fitness but also to create balance between the body and mind. Regular yoga practice can improve flexibility, strength, posture, concentration, and all over well-being. To practice yoga, all you need is a calm space, comfortable clothing, and a positive mindset. Focus on your breathing, move slowly, and listen to your body. Yoga is not about being perfect, it's about becoming healthier and more balanced every day. Whether you are beginner or experienced, yoga can you help feel stronger, calmer, and more confident in your life. Yoga is an ancient practice that originated in India thousands of years ago. The word yoga comes from the Sanskrit language and means to unite or to connect. It is a combination of physical postures, breathing techniques, and meditation. Now it's time for some push ups. Push ups help build upper body strength, improve endurance, and make you stronger day by day. Every rep counts, so keep pushing yourself. If you are enjoying this fitness journey, don't forget to hit like the button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an new workout video. Your support motivates me to keep going. Thank you for being a part of this journey. Come on, guys, let's push harder. Don't give up when things get tough. Stay focused, stay strong, and keep moving forward. Every workout brings you one step closer to your goal. Believe in yourself and keep going. And if you support my journey, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. Your support gives me the motivation to work even harder and create more content for you. Thank you, guys. Please support and subscribe my channel, Sarthak Rajput.